What's up, guys, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. This episode is going to be more so of a conglomerate of videos and images. Lude back there making fun of himself. But anyways, it's going to be just a group of videos that I put together across a whole time, a couple days put together, so on and so forth. Here's a quick little example of the Hub City Performance rear diff mount kit and how that all works, but I'll go into more detail with that once we actually start installing it on my EG hatchback. My motor is somewhere over here. Let's take a quick look over here. The shop's a little bit of a mess, but here's my motor currently covered up as I have I'm waiting on the valve cover to get back. But aside from that, just gonna be working on the car as much as I can. I do have a donor CRV, which is where I'm gonna get the transmission out of. Unfortunately, the transmission that I got was damaged, so thanks to Justin over at Hub City Performance, he was able to find a donor CRV, and we're gonna be working on that throughout the days and getting that trans out and then putting it all together, and I'm just gonna document everything from here on out. All right, so yeah, currently in this beater car. Ooh, and I need to move it out of the way. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. Ooh, so gotta move this car in order to be able to go get the beater or the donor vehicle for my K-Series transmission, and I'm in this thing following what we call the Yardbird. So this should be extremely interesting. The question is, where in the heck are we gonna put this thing? I think we might have found a location. Dude, you gotta be freaking kidding me. This thing stinks. Oh my God. And this is gonna be the donor vehicle. This is bad. Oh, if you guys could smell this, it's terrible. And I have to get in it. The things I do for this crap. Ugh. Push this piece. Ah. This thing is filthy. Dude, I don't know how the hell I'm gonna do it in there. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to get in this thing and try. Do the windows go down at least? I can't put the windows down. This is gonna be terrible. Dude, this is gonna be providing me with a transmission, so I'm gonna have to deal with it. Oh my God, this thing stinks. Oh, all right. I hope I don't puke. You got it? All right, hold up. Oh, that one? Where are we putting this? This is gonna be fun, guys. Oh. This thing is disgusting. Alright, I'll see you guys right here. Oh, God, this is bad. This is terrible. Dude, it smells like somebody pissed in here. Huh? It smells like a raccoon pissed in here. Oh. It's got the best of 80s rock and roll hits. Oof.
I mean, if you can steer it while you like stand outside.
Yeah, I got it. I'll just leave this door open. This is fun. you guys down for a second. This is terrible. Oh shit. Oh shit. Where's the e-brake? This thing's got hydraulics now. What the hell? What the hell was that? Dude, the camera just flew right.
It fucking ripped the door open. I lifted the whole back of the car with that.
There goes the whole thing. Holy crap. Dude, that was funny. Go. Soft, please. Oh, wait. E-brake's up. All right, go. All right. Don't want it to hit your freaking car. Actually, here, so you guys can see a little bit better how nasty this thing is. It stinks so bad in here. And this is gonna be the donor. All right, so most of the stuff is out actually. The wiring harness is essentially cut off, but we're gonna wait for another day to actually get a little bit of daylight to get the rest of the stuff out, and then put the CRV up on the lift and keep going. But I do have something kind of cool to show you guys. Oh, almost tripped. These guys over here, in order to go to a specific race, require a stock gas tank, and they can't use a fuel cell, which that was in the car. So what did you do, Justin?
What did you just show? We put a stock gas tank in the car for the class.
What kind of gas tank is this? Because it looks like it belongs here.
S2000.
So you were able to fit an S2000 gas tank, put AN fittings and everything else, the stock, what, the fuel pump pickup lines and everything else?
Yeah, the sending unit, everything's all there. Don't know how that's going to work, but everything else works fine, so I guess we'll see.
So the things that we do here, well, they do here to go to a race. What is it, the Street Outlaws Daily Driver?
Yeah, Street Outlaws No Prep Daily Driver race.
So that should be interesting. They did say no fuel cell, and that used to be the one that was in it, and now they have a stock S2000 fuel tank in there. So, and it's all nice and bolted up. It looks really, really clean, to be honest with you. It looks like it honestly belongs there. They got nice little tabs welded in there to make it fit. They got the AN lines and everything else. Literally, looks completely stock.
I don't know about completely stock.
Well, I mean, it looks like it belongs there is what I'm saying, you know? So, that's pretty dope. So, can't wait to see that car at that event. That should be interesting. Unfortunately, I won't be able to make it, but hopefully you guys have some fun and hopefully win some money. So
Yeah, I don't know what the prize is.
we'll figure it out. But all right, so I guess tomorrow we'll keep on doing what we're doing, and yeah. So see you guys.